Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we are replacing the bulb in this courtesy lamp in the trunk on this Toyota Auris. And what we need is a panel removal tool or a flat-headed screwdriver, and we wanna come in this corner and pry it out like so. And we need to remove this black cover, and we need to pry this tab like so, and then just lift up on it. There we go. And here we have the bulb, and just grab a hold of it and pull straight out. Like so. And we take a new bulb, put it in place, now we can put the cover back on. Like so. And you wanna put the connector side in first, and then click this side in place. So let's try it out. Yeah, let there be light. Well guys, that was simple enough. Now why don't you go and do something simple and hit that subscribe button and keep follow along. Well, until next time, see ya.